My name is Grace.
I'm Taylor.
We're in the Veterinary Assistant.
Well, my heart's with animals, so helping them is one thing that I really like and enjoy.
Yeah, I personally have a heart for animals as well, and I just wanted to help them and do all I could to help their animal welfare. I loved it.
Yeah, I loved it too. Yep.
I love the style of the program and how it was split into modules. I found that it made it fly by.
Yeah, and we loved our teacher.
Yes. She's fabulous.
Yeah.
I loved her. She's
Nothing
a
bad to
sweetheart.
say
No.
about her.
Very much so.
Yeah.
I am referencing back to a lot of my schoolwork and the things I learned on a day-to-day basis.
Yep, right. Do the same thing. Also, the job fair also got our foot in the door with a good
Yeah.
job. So
So you're referring to industry day?
yes.
Yeah. I am working at the Hammonds Plains Veterinary Hospital.
And I'm at the Sackville Animal Hospital. Everything.
I have been able to scrub into 3 different surgeries now. I get to do blood draws, restrain animals, take care of them when they're recovering from surgery, all sorts of things.
Yep. Inpatient, outpatient work, intakes. I've actually been in a surgery as well. Yep, pretty much the same thing.
Definitely recommend.
Go to Maritime
Yeah.
Business College.
Yeah.
Thank you, ladies.